DoorDash Life. Good morning. Pancakes. Let's go get it. This Uber brings me. Like and subscribe. Now, let's ride. Alright, so we got another order. Headed to IHOP on this rainy morning in Georgia. And then we'll be heading downtown to deliver. Currently, I am 1.8 miles away from my pickup, preparing to turn on to Peach Orchard Road now, and it's saying I'm about 3 minutes away. Let's go get it.
Make a right turn on Lovett Drive, then make a right turn. Make a right turn, then make a right turn.
We're here. Let's go. Alright, I'm on my way. This particular customer has a PIN required, and I am currently traveling in fog. So I'm gonna concentrate. They're expecting me there by 10:32. It's currently 10:15. Like and subscribe, then go for a ride with me on DoorDash Life.